What's up, North Texas barbecue addicts?
What's happening, y'all?
Got my buddy Chef Couillon here.
We out here, bruh.
It's that time of year again, right?
That time of year, man.
Literally, when I was on my way over here, he was telling me that he got a memory that as of this day, 365 days ago, we did this same video
Exactly 1 year. We was out here balling.
So, you know, we got to do it again.
You gotta do it again, bringing it back for y'all.
We got all kinds of goodies that he's going to throw into the pot today. Doing a crawfish boil. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. Let them know where they can follow you at.
Y'all can follow me at Chef Couillon. It's a Chef Couillon across all social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I'm out there.
I'll have his information down below in the description box, guys.
Yeah.
Make sure you check him out. Hit that link, give him some love. But we're gonna get to this cook, y'all. Y'all stick around.
The old bear, fucking you. What's happening, y'all? Right here, we just doing a prep real quick. You know, I'm gonna have these onions. I got some garlic right here. I'm gonna cut this. I just cut off like the top third of it just to expose the cloves. We're gonna have the lemons, cut up the sausage. I'm gonna have the Brussels sprouts, and then everything else, man. That's just gonna go in as is. So right now we're just hooking up the propane. We're gonna get the cooker going. Turn it down. Give 'em a little. Get my little flame going. This one, this cooker right here is the King Cooker 9090. It'll take a little bit to get it going. You know, it's designed for residential use. I wouldn't recommend these for commercial. But it'll take probably about 30 minutes or so to get boiling. 30, 40 minutes.
Cool.
But then once it gets boiling, you know, we'll dump the seasoning in there, put in the whole vegetables, and then we'll let them go for about 15, 20 minutes, and then we'll get it going with the crawfish. Alright, here we're gonna empty these sacks into these baskets, man. I got these little laundry tubs for Walmart, and I got these fish baskets. I guess you can order them online. Every time we go back home and visit, I buy these at Lowry Old Brothers. Bring a couple bags with me. We just gonna dump these in here, man. We're gonna put some water on them, rinse them off, get them all nice and clean before we put them in the pot. Yeah, this is like the prime porter season right here, man. We get around Easter time. That's when they that good vibe. Yeah, right here we just portioning out the seasoning. Normally we just buy it by the bag. We got it in bulk this time. So just gonna weigh it out, make sure we got enough for the water we got in the pot. That's one tip I can tell y'all. Always season for your water, not for what you're cooking. Because you can easily over season or under season, mainly under season. You know, you don't want that. You don't want no flavorless crawfish. Precise measurements is key. got the pot up to the boil. Potatoes getting a little soft. We're gonna dump these crawfish up in there right quick.
That'll work.
We did, man. We had the crawfish in there. We dried them. We let them boil for about 5 minutes. Like once the pot gets back up to a rolling boil. Essentially what I do, man, I really don't time it too much. I boil them till they float. And then now we about to do the soak. So I'm gonna soak them till they sink. But now we got the fire off. I'm gonna put the liquid in there. And then we gonna do the pineapple. And then we're going to do these lemons right here.
Sausage itself is great.
And then we're going to...
Again, I get a sausage on the side.
We'll put that...
Extra gravy,
Dump that. We're going to pour a little bit of that. About that much right there. And then we're going to give it a good stir. And then we're going to shock it with the frozen corn.
Smelling good, bro.
To help cool the water and stop the cook. So get that a good stir. Right there.
What's the most random thing you ever saw in a bull?
Honestly, it really wasn't nothing that somebody added to it. It was what was in a sack of crawfish. It was turtles.
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 We just go ahead and throw them in?
I have inadvertently boiled a turtle before.
Did you eat it?
A time or two. I did not. I did not. Little bitty old guy.
He didn't deserve to go out like that, you mean?
No, it was horrible. I felt bad. I truly felt bad.
Man, that was a good old good cook right there, dude. Good
Man,
boil.
it was fantastic, bro. We threw down on it.
Got all kinds of goodies in this cooler.
All of them.
Again, tell them where they can find you at. I'll put the link down below in the description box.
Y'all can find me at Chef Couillon. Chef, Couilloe. Holla at your boy.
You know what time it is, guys. It's taste test time.
Yes, sir. I got this big old dude with the little one-on-one.
Larry and Mo.
You basically, bro, you kind of like push in a little bit and twist. And you get all that goodness out there.
Oh, yeah.
You got your head. You get that little squeeze. Yes.
That's perfect.
You
flavor,
take your
bro.
tail, bro. You got the first couple of little rings.
Perfect flavor, bro.
Hey, you get your thumb up under there.
Got all kinds of juices up in there.
Peel it all back around. You reveal that tail meat. You pinch right here at the bottom, right before the fin. Just pull it out, bro.
I ain't as good as him, y'all.
Easy.
I'm just gonna eat it.
Go for it, man.
Damn, bro. That's awesome.
However y'all do it, man.
Enjoy it.
Do it your way. Just enjoy it. Have a good time.
Dude, we got pineapple in here.
We got pineapples, potatoes, Brussels sprout. Got the Brussels sprout
right here.
Yeah, you know, Kenny like it said, bro. So I had to put a little Brussels sprouts in there.
You know, I'm always trying to be healthy, bro.
We got them carrots too.
I did not get a carrot yet. Let me get a carrot. Where we at?
There's one right here.
Man, I mean,
Carrots, mushroom.
obviously the crawfish is awesome. The pineapple's awesome, but you ain't lying, dude. I love the Brussels sprout. I love the Brussels sprout, bro.
I'm telling you, bro.
Well, we had a good old time again today, guys. Appreciate y'all for watching. I come over here to get some good crawfish. Y'all follow him. He's doing cooks coming up soon, bulls coming up soon in the area.
Yeah, we got a couple more bowls. We got a few events coming up, man. Kenny's meet and greet.
Yeah. We got the barbecue battle coming up in Sweetwater Grill in Roy City Cattle Mills area.
Yep.
Chef's gonna be judging, so make sure y'all follow him.
I'll be out there, man.
You can see all of his events. See all the other events, obviously, if you're on North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Until next time, peace.
Keep
Y'all
on barbecuing.
and making crawfish.